Let's go start cooking, guys. Basically, I'm rushing because I just got off the friggin' train from Liverpool, innit? So I'm gonna saute it with a little bit of water first because I'm making some Eschovitch vegetables for my steamed fish for tomorrow with my chicken because I want to dry turkey, my lamb and everything else. But watch ya, soon come. Little bit of rock salt in there. Some ideas, I couldn't get pimento nowhere in Birmingham, right? So I'm using the closest thing I've got, which is cloves, star anise. Bang! Let's let that water boil up real quick, innit? Just saute the vegetables down real quick time, innit? Yeah, man. Hey, hear me? But while waiting for that, right? Focus here, look. It's all fresh, you know. All fresh. Lemon, lime, pimento. Hear me? Look at that. Some jackfish seasoning, look. Freshly made for me, you know, ground up nice. Look at that. I do this here up and then I'm gonna get some rest in it, cause you know, them time of time. See it there? See it, yeah? Okay, let's do this here. I'm only using these two jars. No, I'm not buying no mason jars. Sorry, auntie. I just use the jars what I use like that. But yeah, ready? So, I got my regular ingredients, scotchy, my cabbage, my red and white onion, my red, yellow and green, sweet pepper, and then I got my carrots. So, mainly got one here right about now, two, but those, but I'm trying to do this here. So, let's see how it goes. Might work. Adding in my red and white onions. Just everything like that, innit? Let it steam down for a little bit. Everybody does what they want to do differently. I'm doing mine how I like to do it when it comes to my Eschovitch, so please don't kill me, you know? That's that. Hold on. So basically, I'm manipulating the fish, so I'm doing it wrong like this, right? A little bit more salt. Salt draws out.
When I'm pushing to the side, probably put it in the wok real quick, and then I'll do my vinegar. Look for the star anise and all that there. Push it in, bang. Oh, here on. For the islands, right? We got fish chowder and clam chowder right there. Look. Some Scotch bonnet pepper, you know. But that's been here for a year. Look at it. Come on. Push. Okay, right, check out my vegetables, right? Fun star anise. Start this motion, innit? I'm not doing step by step, I'm just chucking in as I remember, but it's normal, innit? Making Eschovitch. Normal. Little sugar. See how you want to do it. I caramelise honestly, I don't know. Can chuck a bit more cloves in there, because I couldn't get the pimento. Good grief. Down my middle. It's just wild, innit? Everything you want. A lot of things. Sugar cane. Everything. Loquats, oranges, bananas, onions, potatoes. Let them bubble up. So I'm eating at the same time, a little refresh time for my allotment. Oh, that vinegar sugar's coming too for you. Some fresh sage. Sugar. Damn. Yeah, that's about niceness, look. See? Only vegetables in my wok that I bought myself for Christmas. But yeah, to be continued. Oh no, it does. So look at that. A little bit of water, salt. Just to saute them a little bit. Don't want to fry it because you can make oil like vinegar. So like I said, you diarrhea. Look, see? Look. Mix them proper. Just put it in there. Didn't need a couple fish. I got some frozen fish I got some fresh fish from Barbados. Somebody put it in a plane. They sent it to me. You know what I mean? So yeah, wash. Hey, you know I forgot about Scotch bonnet, you know? See? So, nah, that never happened. You know, you use the bathroom and then talk about Scotchy hot, you know? Especially when you're from everything. See, like, just jam that in there real quick. See? Got the vinegar and all that boil up to induce the fermenting stage of pickling. To be continued real quick, innit? Look at that. My power levels are on point too. See what I'm saying? Not much left in there. Look, bang. No wastage. No nothing. Spike that together. To be continued, guys. Look at that. Mix everything up. I nearly got a couple fish, but now do that up, right? Before later. Again, guess what? Oh my days. I got my jack fish sauce that I made open. Hold on. Let me show you, man. Come on. Look at that. You can see lemon and all that in there, innit? Because you pimento in there, innit? Everything, man. What are you telling me, you? But you know what? Let's go be where it goes. Let's go add a little bit to our Eschovitch. We're doing it for the fish anyway, so watch that. Just a little bit. Dang, that's good. That's to be continued. Sorry, guys. I'm having it on my metal later, so I gotta use a... To be continued. I said to be continued. I did my glasses. My eyes starting getting, crazy about eating thoughts. It's not good for them to say myself, It's telling me, man. Perfect, man. If you wanna come home with me, you can. Alright, squeeze me tight and do it, do. Bubble up your body for me, do. You love it when I meet you. A bad man thing, eh? Wish. I'm making black flip, hold on. And no, I'm not buying no mason jars or none of that. I get too much groceries, innit? I live in Banner, UK, here. We spend pounds at US. And this is gonna get years, isn't it? Before me, isn't it? But look.
And that's that. Like I said, I done some Eschovitch vegetables, basically pickled vegetables last night. Yeah, 2 jars of that. See what I'm saying? I'm gonna have that my right plantain and make some plantain fritters as well. And then I got all my spices. So I made some jackfish spice. You know what I mean? Ground it all down. That's gonna be for my my fish. And then I'm gonna do some prawns, some garlic, coconut, prawns, shrimp, I mean king shrimp. So I'll do that, and that's gonna go with the fish, the Eschovitch fish. See? I dehydrated some spices, lemon, garlic, rosemary, a lot of spices in it. Basically, I made some jack seasoning. Look at that. My Eschovitch fish that my Eschovitch vegetables that I done up last night. So look at that, guys. Look. That's getting me for my Eschovitch fish, isn't it? Look at that. I'm not doing up turkey. I'm not fond of turkey, right? So I'm having Eschovitch fish, leg of lamb. I done up a chicken and some veggies in it. Some macaroni and cheese. I done up some buns the other day. I baked some buns. So it's a simple meal, innit? Like, I'm not Christmas. I don't do no family oriented things. Like I stay away really. Like my whitewater snappers right there. Nice little ones, right? So I'm gonna do with my Eschovitch fish. So I'm gonna score them up real quick and then spice them up. So as you can see, I scored them up nice so that the spices get in, cleaned out nicely. Keep in mind, these came all the way from Bermuda, And then I'm gonna do this, like I said, my shrimp, but to be continued. Okay, basically, right, like I said, I already done up my spices and all that, as you can see, right? But I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of flour together. I put it in a bag and then we fish in there like that, so, it could even out. You'll see. To be continued. Some flour in there real quick. Not too much.
And then we're going to put generous amount in there as well. But before we put that in, we're going to glaze over it up, because there's some more of this, like I said, my spices are made from scratch, And then down this, watch. Yeah, a little bit of glaze, look. As you can see that, let's look. Check it out. So you can see the spices over there, look. Come on now, fully marinated, man, I use spice. So now we're just going to get some of the spice here, so look, double some in there, all on the top. Don't be shy, guys, don't be shy. So you get it all in there. So this one's up. To the belly. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look, guys, look. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put one in there. I'll put them both in there, to be honest. Shake it out real quick. Now, like the same spices in there, so now, look. Look at that. Look, shake them off, right? And they're ready to be fried. So as you see, I'm cleaning and deburning my prawns. Took this, quarter out, cook, and gonna do up that in a little bit. Wash. So yeah, do that process a little bit, straight to my lamb to finish off. Then we do these up, chop up some garlic. Yeah, wash. Now I'm add some more of my spices to my shrimp. Mix them all up, look. Prepare them for coconut garlic shrimp, innit? Add some garlic in there and all that, and then fry up some, shrimp. These are my vegetables for my coconut shrimp, innit? So that's a red onion, some regular and green sweet pepper, some fresh sage, grow my allotment, and some fresh thyme that I bought from Tesco, and then some fresh garlic. Got some nice fresh ripe plantain, so I'm gonna fry that up as well. Look at that, guys, look. Nice. It's not bananas, plantain, guys. And then I I got 10 of them, so I'm going to do one of these, sir, and then the same process. Then I cut off the nice portion, so I got 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I'm saying? So, then fry them up a little bit, and then put them all to smash them out, and basically like fritters. And pull the hairs off the shrimp, because yeah, but see, look at that, man, ain't nothing nice. Now, let's heat up our wok real quick. So shit, wrong side. Oh, sorry, guys. Wrong side. Look at my fried fish in that, my candy yams in that. Just got my chicken in there, because I had it in a slow cooker, so I got it in the air fryer. You know, so keep it really crispy in the spot. Keep it at the end. So let that boil, let that melt down a little bit. Yeah, it's lovely, look at that. Bottom up margarine, guys, okay? Red, good and green, peppers in there, our sage, some red onion, more sage, some fresh thyme. Let that simmer down a little bit. Don't forget your garlic, guys. Oh my dear, this is coming along lovely. Smell the garlic in there. Yes. Keep it up, keep it. So again, now add another little stick of butter in there. Oop. Let that glaze down. Add a bit of coconut cream in there. Not too much. And now, let's add our shrimps. We cook them to get nice and red and cooked, and then we add our cream in there, and then our coconut milk. Now, guys, this is, look at that, coming along lovely, isn't it? Well, that's cooking down. Put on my oil, start up my fish. Where's my fish over? The white water's over there, chilling out.
Look at that, guys, look at that. Oh, that's just about done, right? Ready? No, that's at the coconut milk. Oh my gosh. To be continued. Oh my dears, guys, look at that. Garlic, coconut, shrimp. So take a look at the sauce, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Coconut shrimp. Garlic coconut shrimp. Look. Lovely. Foil that up. Sauce to get a bit more thicker. Let me taste that stuff. Marvelous. That's that. Got my white water frying up. Yeah. Heat up my Eschovitch that I made last night. Oh, that hurt. Watcha. Could try turn the zoomer now. Using one hand, innit? That's lovely, look at that. And then I put it on my dang. No, I'm not supporting KFC, but that's really brown people back I got in it. Okay, that bad boy is done. Don't fall, please. Let that simmer down, and then put in number 2.
Gotta be quick, right? Why you don't want to dry them out?
Just when we get them a little browner. Oh, that goddamn hurt. My kitchen's gonna be a goddamn mess later, guys. They're done. Let them dry off. Use this oil for another day. And my Eschovitch fish, look. Look at that. Oh, lovely.